Stop your Windows 11 File Explorer from crashing right now with this essential guide. If you're constantly facing the dreaded File Explorer has stopped working error, it's time to implement these quick fixes. First, we'll tackle potential corruption within your system files by running a quick scan. Open Command Prompt as administrator, type ffc ascannow and press enter. This checks for and repairs any damaged Windows files that might be causing the crashes. If that doesn't immediately resolve the File Explorer crashing issue, the problem could be with the program's settings themselves, which brings us to method 2. We'll reset File Explorer's view settings to their default configuration to clear out any corrupted temporary data. If the issue persists after resetting, it's highly likely your graphics drivers are the culprit, leading us to method 3. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can cause all sorts of display and application problems, so we'll update or reinstall them for optimal performance. Finally, if none of those steps work, we'll force a restart of the Windows Explorer process itself. This often clears temporary glitches and gets File Explorer running smoothly again, so you can access your files without interruption.